Welcome to the product in MOTOROLA Moto G13, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you will see the Dolby Sound apps section. Just you can use Dolby Atmos if you want by click here to the settings section. Just to change media call, ringtone, notification and alarm volumes, we should just hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. Here in Don't Disturb section we can turn on and turn off the Don't Disturb mode to allow just notifications, just calls or messages from many people's apps, alarms, and we can also set the shadow and to change the settings for duration, for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. And we can change also here the phone ringtones for the SIM slot 1 and 2. If you want to use the live captions, you should just click here to the switcher to activate them. To change the media settings, just to pin media player and to show media recommendations, we should use the switchers. Let's go back. In default, in vibration and haptic section, we can also use them. Just to use them, we should click on the switcher to activate them. Also, we can here change each of the settings just to turn it on and turn it off. So we can just use the ring vibration for calls, the vibration then first then ring gradually, and in notifications and alarms and interactive haptics options we also got the possibility to use these options just by click on each of the switcher. Let's go back. We can change here also the default notification sound and alarm one, and to change the dial pattern, screen lock and unlock sounds, vibration, touch sounds, the power on and off sounds. So we should just use all of these switchers just to turn off these options. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.